our friends too are going to draw an apple.
And we're drawing a little worm sticking out of our apple. It looks awesome. Did you have fun with this lesson?
Yes.
Yeah, and I hope our art friends are excited to draw with us. This is just a quick preview. It was a lot of fun. We're using our crayons to draw with this time, but you can use whatever you have. You ready to start?
Yes.
Hey parents and teachers, did you know we have a special place to draw without any ads or distractions? You can watch all of our lessons on artforkidshub.tv or in our official app available on Apple, Android, Roku, and more. It's the best way to draw together as a family or in the classroom anytime, anywhere, and without interruptions. Check it out and subscribe at artforkidshub.tv. First, let's draw our worm, and we're going to use our peach color crayon. And we're going to draw a curve. We're going to draw it over here on the right, and we're going to draw it curving up. So it's got, looks like a backwards arrow, L almost, or just a curve.
Or J.
Yeah, or J. Then we're going to come down here, and we're going to draw a bigger one following it, or coming up, matching it. Yes, and then we're going to connect the top with a little curve, and then let's color that in. Oh, we could draw a little curve here too. So we got this little, it kind of looks like a jelly bean.
A weird shaped one.
Yeah, a long jelly bean.
A long jelly bean.
You might want to make yours just a little bit bigger so that you can fit a face on it too. Now we're switching to our red crayon and we're going to draw our apple. Let's start by drawing a little point right here, about the same height as our worm. So you could draw it right about here in the middle of your paper, and then we can come down here and we can draw another little point directly below it. Then we're going to draw a curve. We're going to draw it curving out, and we're going to draw it kind of big. And then watch, down here, we're going to go past the dot, go below it, and then we'll come back up. Almost like we're drawing a big butterfly wing. Yes, and then we're going to draw the other side of our apple, connecting to our little worm. Oh yeah, I like how big your apple's getting. Then we're going to imagine it coming down here. And we're going to go past, like we're making that little butterfly wing, and there's the shape of our apple. Back up and down. And then see how mine kind of, I can even make it a little smaller too. You could connect a little bit lower so that it doesn't look like there's a bite taken out of the bottom of your apple. You could even go a little lower too if you want. Yeah. Okay, this part we'll fast forward because we're going to color in our apple solid red. It's going to take us a little while, but we're going to fill it in solid. So you guys can pause the video and take time to color your apples too. Now we're ready to switch to our brown crayon, and we're going to draw the stem to our apple. We can draw a curve coming out of the middle, and then let's draw another curve, but I'm making it thicker so it's further away, and then we can connect at the top and then color that in too. That's a nice dark brown stem. Perfect. Now we're switching to our green crayon, and what's this for?
The leaves.
Yeah. For the leaf, let's draw a curve. The first curve, I'm going to start here and curve this way, like we're curving up. And then we'll start at the end, and then we can curve back down to where we started. Then let's color in our leaf. We could leave our drawings just like this. We got all of the main shapes, except I think we need a black crayon to add the funny faces. Let's first draw a funny face on our little worm. I'm going to draw the smile and a little dot for each eye. Then we could draw a funny face for the apple. I'm going to draw a little curve here, and then also a circle and color it in for the eyes. Yeah, and then one more eye. Okay, and then one last thing, let's use our black crayon to outline everything so that it stands off our paper even more. Let's start with our worm. And we could also draw this so it looks like there's a hole that our worm is coming out of. So I'm going to draw this curve right here, but then we can connect it back in to our little worm. Yeah, just like that. Then let's trace around. Oh, I just went through his eye.
Oh no.
That's okay. Oh, poor little guy. He lost his eyeball. I wasn't watching. The big crayon was covering up his eye. That's okay. There he is. He's still there. Oh, I love yours. There's our worm. Okay, now let's draw the stem. We can trace over our stem. So we'll go up and down. Ooh, I like that you colored in the top and bottom part.
Yeah.
Next, let's trace over the apple shape. We'll just go around the outside like we've already done and over to the worm and then back up here and to the worm. Then we can draw a line right through the middle of our leaf for the stem of the leaf. And then we can draw the outside of the leaf. I'm not sure what that's called. The vein, maybe. And one last detail we could add, little worms have segments. So we could use this pink color and add little curves going around our worm's body. Yes, that's awesome. And we did it. We finished drawing and coloring our worms and our apples. And it turned out awesome. I always like your drawing the most.
Oh, it's like you're drawing the most.
Oh, thanks. I'm sure our friends' drawings are pretty cool too.
Yeah, I bet they're awesome.
Yeah. Now you could add even more things, like more worms and more apples.
You could also add baby worms.
Oh, a whole family of worms. Maybe they live inside the apple. It's our friend.
We hope you had fun drawing an apple and a worm with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye. Did you know we've got a whole series of how to draw books? We teamed up with DK to create 6 amazing titles, each one packed with fun, step-by-step lessons. The print quality is so amazing, and they're really affordable too. We're so grateful for DK and excited to share these with your family. Grown-ups, you can learn more and grab your copies by clicking the link in the description below.